how to make America in your Infinite Craft game. So let's start this video without any further delay. If you're new to the channel, then please subscribe to it and hit the bell icon for receiving such type of short video and technical updates. To make America in your Infinite Craft, this is quite simple step, as you can just take a screenshot of my screen and just follow the on-screen instructions I'm repeating for you here. I have already wrote down some original and genuine steps to do this thing. So let's start this. The first step is to simply combine water block with itself to make lake, and then add another water to lake to get ocean. Then take ocean and earth close to it for to form an island, and then earth to that, and you have continent. After creating a continent here, what you have to do is simply add steam and water block together and you will get white clouds. After that you will need sun. First combine earth and wind and get dust. Dust mixed with earth you will get planet, and fire to the planet and you have your sun here. Now mix cloud and sun to make rainbow. Lastly combine rainbow and that continent you made earlier and you have America. That's quite funny, but that's the all genuine steps you can do. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for watching more technical videos and updates like this.